Okay, so recording has been started. So, in today's class, we will see about concept of backup tables. Okay, backup tables. Why I'm telling you backup tables? Because these are directly created from one table. Okay, so these are directly created from uh, the main table. Okay, created from main table. Okay, so the question is that backup table, what is the backup table? The backup table is are such table which are used for disaster recovery. Okay, suppose you have the table like previously I mentioned in my previous class demo. Okay, okay, demo table retail db3 dot demo. Suppose suppose this table accidentally I in some transaction I deleted this table, I dropped this table. Okay, and my data is lost. Okay, and in today's scenario, you can feel what is the importance of data. So in that case much pain will be there in your team. So in that case, what you will do, you will create a backup of these tables. Backup means a clone of these tables, means a copy of this table with same structure, same data. Okay, okay. So remember yesterday we have this table name. So let me show you. So I'm entering this database and select star from retaildb3.demo, and just I am running this command, and we can see four records are there in this table. So now what I will do, I will create one backup table of this table. Okay, so what I will do, my basic command will be very simple: create table with select. Okay, so what I will do, I will the syntax is create table retail db3 demo underscore bkp. This name I want, demo underscore bkp. This is the table. Okay, and what I will do next, I will type as select star from this table. Okay, the select query, basic select query you are doing, you are providing as an input. Okay, what it will do, it will create a table instantly with same structure and same data like we have for retail db3.demo. Let me show you that. We have only one table, you can see that we have only, okay, demo backup is there. Just let me drop the table first. Drop now. Okay, so we have only one table in this in retail db3. Just let me create the table. Okay, just let me run this command, and you can see that the record has been created. Now what I will do, I will, instead of selecting this, let me apply one more command, underscore bk. Means I'm selecting from the backup table, and let me see if all records have been, if this table has been created and all records have been inserted or not. Okay, so first let me check whether the table has been created or not. So I am refreshing through this one, and now you can see demo backup has been created. So now let me run the command select star from, so that I can check whether my records have been inserted or not in the demo backup table, uh, same as the demo table. So let me run that, and you can see all the records has been inserted in the demo backup table. So it is a clone table. Okay, any table you can create. Okay, any table you can create. So one way of this is a way of creating a table. Okay, now this is one thing. Suppose I want to create one backup with only id 2 and 3, only id 3 and 4. I want to create. I don't want 101 and 102. I only want greater than 102. Some scenario may happen that you need some conditions to create table. Okay, so what you will do? Very simple. Just apply, just apply the where clause. Okay, now you will create backup one. Suppose I'm creating new backup table, so backup one I'm giving the name. So just apply where id greater than 102, and that's it. So this table will be created, backup on table will be created with id 103 and 104. Okay, so let me create that. Okay, just run it, and you can see backup one. Just first you can see backup one has been created, and now when I see only two records have been inserted. So that's the case when you are creating table from one table from other table. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's so simple. Now suppose your requirement is slightly different. Suppose you want only table structure, not the data. Suppose you want some different data. Suppose in many scenario you have the requirement that that same structure schema is applied on multiple places, multiple tables. Okay, okay, same structure like city id, city name. Okay, like city 2 I means anything you can say. Okay, I'm just thinking in terms of um, thinking in terms of some applicable scenario, but that is not coming in my mind right now. So let me tell you that if you're now willing to copy only structure, what is the command? So in that case, what you will apply, create table, table backup 2 I am creating, backup 2. Okay, backup 2, or not backup, demo only with a structure, only with structure. This is the table name. Okay, demo only with a structure. Okay, so what I will do as select star from, okay, retail db3 dot demo, retail db3 dot demo, and you will apply one very funny situation, a false condition. What is a false condition? Where 1 equal to 2. This is the false condition you need to apply. Okay, where 1 equal to 2, this is a condition you need to apply. This is how it works, right? So just go. Suppose you need to copy a structure on every place, right? Suppose one scenario I need to give example. Suppose um, suppose you are creating school information for every for in every city, for four cities. Suppose you are creating for Delhi, you are creating for Mumbai, and you are creating for Chennai. In in every place you are collecting data. Okay, so what your customers told that with every city name create a schema. Okay, and inside that schema create school table, school table. Okay, school and student table. So what you will do, you will create table delhi dot school. Okay, you will create mumbai.school, mumbai.school, now chennai.school, and same chennai.school, and same for kolkata.school. So and delhi.student, mumbai.student, and chennai.student will also be created. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my
Yes,
point?
sir.
Means you are understanding the scenario. So for
Yes,
each
sir.
student, you what you need to do, for each student, for each city, you were copying the command, and everything you will do with same structure. Means school with school id. Okay, school with school id, right? Like this you are creating school id, school name. Just I'm giving to school name. So just you are applying this table. Just you are creating same table in all the cities, in all the schemas. Okay, so why you will write every time create command, create command, create command? Just copy the structure, just apply this command. Okay, you don't need not to write every time the create command, create command with attributes. Just just apply this command. Okay, so I'm just demonstrating you how it works. So now just apply 1 equal to 2. Okay, just apply this, and now just refresh this, and demo only with the structure has been implemented. Now what I will do, I will select a star from this, and no record would be there. Okay, no record would be there, and see, only table structure has been copied, no record is there. So did you get my point today, what I have conveyed to you?
Yes, sir.
So this is the case, this is the backup table story. Okay, okay. So just
Yes.
try to create whatever the your whatever the thing you have understood, and let me know if you are facing any issues. So the viewers who are watching this video, kindly like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for further notification, and please comment if you like my videos. Thank you very much.